dedicated laundry circuit is specifically designed for an electric dryer and does not include a receptacle for a gas dryer. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires a dedicated 120 volts, 20 amp circuit for the laundry receptacle outlet. This ensures that the washing machine, the primary appliance connected to this circuit, has sufficient power without overloading the circuit. Electric dryers, on the other hand, typically require a dedicated 240 volt circuit, often 30 amps or more, depending on the dryer specifications. This higher voltage and amperage demand necessitates a separate circuit to handle the load safely and efficiently. Gas dryers, unlike their electric counterparts, use gas as their primary heat source and require significantly less electricity. Their electrical needs are primarily for the drum motor, controls, and ignition system. Consequently, gas dryers typically operate on a standard 120 volts household circuit, drawing only a few amps. This means they do not require a dedicated 240 volt circuit like electric dryers, and they can often be plugged into a standard outlet. The dedicated laundry circuit, as mandated by the NEC, is intended for the exclusive use of the washing machine. This is primarily to prevent overloading the circuit when the washing machine is operating simultaneously with other appliances. The NEC specifies this requirement to enhance electrical safety and reduce the risk of fire hazards. The NEC provides detailed guidelines on circuit sizing and overcurrent protection for various appliances. For example, Section 210.21b(1) addresses the permissible loads for receptacle outlets, while Section 220.14h covers the requirements for laundry circuits. These sections of the NEC are essential for ensuring that electrical installations meet safety standards. When installing a new laundry circuit, it is crucial to adhere to the NEC guidelines. This includes using the correct wire gauge, selecting the appropriate circuit breaker, and ensuring that the receptacle outlet is properly grounded. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in electrical hazards and code violations. The purpose of a dedicated circuit is to isolate high-demand appliances from other electrical loads. This prevents voltage drops and ensures that the appliance receives a stable and reliable power supply. Dedicated circuits also reduce the risk of tripping circuit breakers due to overloads. In the case of electric dryers, the high amperage draw during operation can easily overload a general-purpose circuit, leading to frequent breaker trips. A dedicated 240 volt circuit eliminates this problem, providing a consistent and safe power supply. Gas dryers, with their minimal electrical requirements, do not necessitate a dedicated circuit in the same way that electric dryers do. Their electrical load is comparable to that of other small appliances, and they can typically be plugged into a standard 120 volts outlet without causing any issues. However, it is essential to ensure that the outlet is not already heavily loaded with other appliances to avoid overloading the circuit. The NEC provides specific guidelines on the number of outlets and appliances that can be connected to a single circuit. These guidelines are based on the amperage rating of the circuit and the wattage of the appliances. Adhering to these guidelines is crucial for preventing overloads and ensuring electrical safety. When installing a new gas dryer, it is essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions for electrical connections. While gas dryers do not require a dedicated 240 volt circuit, they still need to be properly grounded and connected to a suitable 120 volts outlet. The grounding ensures that any electrical faults are safely discharged, reducing the risk of electric shock. The dedicated laundry circuit is specifically designed to meet the electrical demands of a washing machine. It typically includes a single receptacle outlet that is rated for 20 amps. This outlet is intended for the exclusive use of the washing machine, and it should not be used to power other appliances. The NEC also requires that the laundry circuit be protected by a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, to enhance safety in wet environments. GFCI outlets are designed to detect even small imbalances in the electrical current and quickly shut off the power to prevent electric shock. This is particularly important in laundry areas where water and moisture are often present. In summary, the dedicated laundry circuit is not intended for use with gas dryers. It is designed to provide a reliable and safe power supply for washing machines, while electric dryers require a separate dedicated 240-volt circuit due to their high voltage and amperage demands. Gas dryers, with their minimal electrical requirements, can typically be plugged into a standard 120 volts outlet, provided that the outlet is not already heavily loaded with other appliances. It is always essential to adhere to the NEC guidelines and follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing or connecting any electrical appliance. This ensures electrical safety and reduces the risk of fire hazards. Furthermore, proper grounding is crucial for all electrical appliances to prevent electric shock. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your laundry area is safe and efficient.